Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another video. So I'm up rocking and rolling this morning. I had to go to the store. I had to go to the Dollar Tree, had to go to Walmart. I did a pickup order from Walmart, and I was going to show you all what I grabbed before I put my stuff up. Just got everything out and on the counter. I'm about to put these groceries up and basically clean my kitchen because it's a mess. It probably looks all cute from this angle, but honey, it's a mess over here. It's a mess over there. I gotta clean up, okay? So before I get started, I'm gonna show y'all what I picked up from the store, and then I'm gonna get started. Okay, here are all the things. I picked up some food items as well as some non-food items. I got some deodorant here. I grabbed some, I think I mentioned that I need to get some of this oven cleaner. So I got some of this Easy Off oven cleaner. I had to let y'all know how it goes. If this doesn't go well, I'll do this, and then if it still needs some cleaning, I'll probably just use like some baking soda or something like that. We'll see. Then I picked up some more of my alcohol-free toner. I grabbed some oatmeal cookies. I like to keep the house stocked with the cookies. I got some oatmeal cookies, and then I picked up some Chips Ahoy. I grabbed a couple bananas. Just got 3 of those. I snack on that or either use it for my smoothies. Then I picked up some applesauce. I've been out of applesauce for a while. I've been being a big girl, taking my medicine the regular way, but I was like, let me grab some applesauce. They had this on sale, so I got some strawberry and some cinnamon. Cinnamon is my favorite. Then I picked up the Zero Sugar Sunkiss packs for like my water. I hadn't tried this in a long time. I really wanted lemonade, but I didn't have that, so I got them to substitute with this. So that'll be that. Hopefully that is good. I got some light brown sugar here. I picked up some French onion dip. I got some butter, some strawberries, and some blackberries, which these strawberries I knew were going to be kind of hit or miss. So, no, these got to be taken off because they're horrible. Whoever picked those are horrible. I got some more milk, 2% milk. This is a new try for me, the espresso blend black coffee. Heard it was a game changer, so I'm probably going to be fixing me some of that this morning. I got some Conecuh sausages. I got some almond milk here, some unsweetened almond milk. I got some Mrs. B's butter milk biscuits. And I needed some more of this because Mr. Allen got us some apple butter. And when I tell you the apple butter is delicious, it came from like a farmer in the country. It's so good. Then I got some eggs here, and then I got some Devil's Food Cake, some chocolate cake. So this is what I picked up. Let me get this stuff put up and get started in this kitchen. jar containers from Sam's probably about 3 years ago. So I'm not sure if they still have them. But they really keep these cookies fresh for a long time. So I really, really like them. So that's why I, use these as cookie jars, because a lot of stuff is, if it's out of sight, out of mind. I'd rather it not sit in the pantry and go bad. So I like to put it in these jars. That way I know if Mr. Allen sees it, he know I restocked. He's gonna eat the cookies, okay? Even though there's no problem, he loves cookies, so. But yeah, these little jars really keep stuff fresh and locked in and secure. So that's why I love them. So I've had some cookies in here before for 30, 60 days, and they're still just as fresh. Okay guys, I just decided to go ahead and get this task done. Today I am going to be cleaning my oven out. I have not cleaned this oven out in a very long time, and I believe something waste in here when I was baking something, and it definitely, I can tell, because it gets smoky and all that fancy stuff. So I'm like, girl, just get some oven cleaner and go ahead and tackle the job. So this is my first time using this particular oven cleaner. I think I seen it online and was like, I'll just give that a try, see how it does. The oven is not just like crazy dirty, but I mean, it definitely can use the cleaning. So of course I got a lot of residue, mainly off the bottom from where something wastes in here. When I was baking something, I don't know if it was when I was baking some chicken or whatever the case is. Whatever the case may be, today is the day to get this task done. And I'm so very glad I did. I feel much better about life because my oven is clean. So basically this bottle, the directions on the bottle is really simple. You basically spray it down, set a timer for I think an hour and 15 minutes, and then go back in and wipe everything away.
Like a sunrise horizon, always there, always shining.
Hey y'all, I'm about to try this new cold brew. This is the espresso blend. It's unsweetened black coffee. I normally get the other one. I can't think of the type that it is, but it's like the teal blue one. So I decided to try a different one, this espresso one, to see if it just gives me that extra that I be wanting in my coffee. So I got my ice here with my glass. I'm gonna get this opened up and see how I like it. If you all are iced coffee drinkers, you have to let me know which one your favorite is as far as your cold brew, or do you make it yourself? So this is my first time trying this one, so we gonna see. Now I have to say, even in the summer months, I still like to drink hot coffee as well. It just, depending on what the vibe I'm going for that day. You know what? Let me taste it by itself. I want to taste it with no cream. It is definitely rich. It is definitely stronger than my other coffee. So I'm liking it already. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with my sugar-free caramel macchiato creamer here. And that's going to be that. So I like it already, y'all. If you like a strong coffee, then you'll like it. So This is a 10 out of 10 for me. Sometimes I add a little syrup in there if I want to add a little more flavor. But I'm going to taste this and see if I need anything added to it. I'm going to add a little of the caramel flavor. Because it's a little bit tart. A little bit more tart than I like. So I'm going to add a little of that. And that's it. Iced coffee. Cheers. Mr. Man over here standing at the door. Who you waiting on, baby? Who you waiting on? Huh? You expecting somebody? Okay, so I was able to get a lot of things done, getting the dishes together. I got my water started to boil. I normally boil water when I get ready to mop my floor, but then I got down to getting ready to clean some dishes that I had, and I was like, let me get this refrigerator cleaned out. So I decided to pull everything out of the fridge, take out any leftover food that I had in there, go ahead and get that food trash and get that Tupperware put to the side. But I wanted to get my refrigerator cleaned out, so I went ahead and took out anything that was outdated, all of the things, to get this refrigerator cleaned up and back organized. I felt so accomplished getting this done. I wasn't originally planning on deep cleaning the oven and the refrigerator today. I really was just trying to get my kitchen clean, you know, just a regular kind of wipe down of everything in the kitchen. But since I was in here, I was like, let's go ahead and get it done, and I'm so glad I did. I was able to get outdated condiments out, organize my beverages, my fruits, produce, things like that, and get these drawers and everything wiped down. So I felt really good about it, getting this done and getting it off my things that I needed to get done today. So maybe you have been walking by your fridge and need to get yours done. So go ahead and let's get it done, girl. I got mine done, and I'm really glad I did. Finally got my stove clean. My oven clean. Clean as I'm gonna get it today. Got all that stuff from around the rim of it. So I would say I like the oven cleaner. So we'll put my racks back in, and that's gonna be it. I got my bucket of dirty water over there, and I've also had 2 sinks full of dirty water, trying to wipe and wipe and wipe. I've wiped and scrubbed several times, so that's gonna be that for today. So I was just coming back to show y'all what it looked like. I think I'm about to wrap this video up. I got my hot water going on the stove there. I'm about to sweep and mop the kitchen, and then I'm about to have a seat. Okay, so I've done my cleaning. Oh well, I gotta put those shoes up too, but I've done what I'm gonna do for today. So I'm about to finish up, get this floor scrubbing mop, and then I'll be done. Because while I was cleaning, some of the stuff came out. I just knew I was gonna sweep, so I just wasn't too concerned about it getting on the floor. So that's gonna be that, y'all. Hopefully you enjoy coming along with me cleaning up and getting things done in my home today, and I will see y'all in the next one. Here go Max tapping around. I wish you can help me, Max. He's securing the place. Okay. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all later.